All right. Did you know that melatonin is found naturally in plants? And no, it does not make the plant sleepy, but it does do some pretty cool things instead. Hi, my name is Emily Foster, and my research looked at the potential effects of melatonin supplementation on sulfur cinquefoil and yellow wander strawberry. This semester, I worked with Dr. Lauren Erland in the Berry Lab as a student researcher. Now, I'm sure you're dying to know what exactly it is that melatonin does in plants. So, melatonin plays a very important role in plant development, overall growth, and the plant's response to various environmental stressors, including heat stress. As an antioxidant, melatonin is able to directly inhibit the accumulation of reactive oxygen species, which cause the oxidative damage that we associate with heat stress. Considering that climate warming is increasing temperatures, it's vital that we study ways to mitigate the negative effects of high temperatures. I chose to compare the responses of yellow wander strawberry to those of sulfur cinquefoil with melatonin supplementation under heat stress, since I thought it would be really interesting to compare how a native strawberry crop and an invasive cinquefoil weed responded, especially considering they're from the same family. I also thought it would be very interesting since sulfur cinquefoil, to my knowledge, has not yet been studied. I spent this past semester subculturing, which is like propagating, and growing both species at 24 degrees, which is an optimal temperature, 35 warm, and 42 degrees, which is very hot. Unfortunately, my strawberries have not yet reached the end of their growth period, so I only have the data responses from the cinquefoil. After running various tests and statistical analyses, I found that melatonin increased root formation with the middling concentration at 24 degrees Celsius. And that after 5 weeks, all but one plant died at 35 degrees Celsius. So I lost 44 plants. If you're wondering why I have not yet mentioned the 42 degrees Celsius, it's because all those plants died too. So at least we know that melatonin increases root formation and that plants need to establish at a normal temperature before being subjected to heat stress. Thank you.